Here we've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick System, go to the Language and Input, and now go to the first tab, which is Language and Region. By tapping on Add Language, you can come along with the whole list of languages. Here they are. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so everyone will find something suitable. And for example, let me pick Croatian. Click on Change to set it as a default language. And now, as you can see, the whole device is in Croatian, so you can use it in your native language. And if you'd like to go back to English or some other language, just go to System one more time, then select Language and Input, pick Language and Region, and then you can go back to English by swiping it up, or you can permanently delete some languages, for example Croatian and Polish, by tapping on them and then click on Remove. Confirm it by tapping on OK to save it. And this is it, this is all, so you can smoothly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.